Electric vehicles, or EVs, are changing how we drive. They represent a significant shift in the automotive industry, moving away from traditional gasoline-powered engines to more sustainable and eco-friendly alternatives. Unlike cars that run on gasoline, EVs use electricity. This electricity is stored in large battery packs that power the vehicle's motor. This means no more trips to the gas station. Instead, you can charge your vehicle at home overnight or at one of the many public charging stations available. EVs are powered by batteries that store electricity. These batteries are designed to be efficient and long-lasting, providing ample range for daily commutes and long trips. These batteries can be recharged at home or at charging stations. Home charging is convenient and can be done using a standard electrical outlet or a dedicated EV charger. With an electric motor instead of a big engine, EVs are very quiet. This makes for a more peaceful driving experience, reducing noise pollution in urban areas. They also have quick acceleration, making them fun to drive. The instant torque provided by electric motors means that EVs can accelerate rapidly, providing a thrilling driving experience. Many people are switching to EVs for a greener future. The environmental benefits, combined with the advancements in technology, make EVs an attractive option for many drivers. Traditional cars release harmful pollutants into the air. These emissions contribute to air pollution and have a negative impact on public health. These pollutants contribute to climate change and make it harder to breathe. Reducing our reliance on gasoline-powered vehicles is crucial for improving air quality and combating global warming. EVs produce zero tailpipe emissions, making the air cleaner for everyone. By adopting electric vehicles, we can create a healthier environment and a more sustainable future for generations to come. The switch to electric vehicles is gaining speed worldwide. As more countries commit to reducing carbon emissions, the demand for cleaner transportation options is skyrocketing. More and more people are realizing the benefits of EVs. They offer not only environmental advantages, but also cost savings on fuel and maintenance. Major car companies are taking notice. They are shifting their focus from traditional gasoline engines to electric powertrains. They're investing heavily in electric car technology, pouring billions into research and development to stay ahead in the market. Companies like Tesla, Ford, and Volkswagen are releasing new electric models every year. These models are becoming more affordable and accessible to the average consumer. They are making EVs with longer ranges and faster charging times, addressing two of the biggest concerns for potential buyers. Startup companies are also joining the electric revolution. These innovative newcomers are pushing the boundaries of what electric vehicles can do. This competition is driving innovation and making EVs even better. With each new model, the future of transportation looks greener and more sustainable. One of the most exciting areas of EV technology is the battery. Scientists are constantly working to improve battery performance. They are developing batteries that can store more energy, charge faster, and last longer. These advancements are crucial for making EVs more practical and affordable. Imagine charging your car in the same time it takes to fill up a gas tank. New battery technologies are truly making this a reality. The future of transportation is electric and sustainable. As we move forward, the adoption of electric vehicles, EVs, is becoming more crucial than ever. Electric vehicles, powered by renewable energy sources like solar and wind, offer a cleaner and greener way to travel. They significantly reduce our carbon footprint and help combat climate change. Governments around the world are encouraging the use of EVs. They're implementing policies and regulations to support this transition. They are providing tax breaks and incentives to make EVs more appealing to consumers. These benefits make it easier for families and individuals to switch to electric vehicles. The shift to electric vehicles is not just about the cars themselves, it's about transforming our entire transportation system. It is also about creating a more sustainable transportation ecosystem. This includes integrating renewable energy sources into our power grids and ensuring that our cities are equipped to support EVs. This includes developing renewable energy sources, building charging infrastructure, and making sure that charging stations are accessible and convenient for everyone, and promoting eco-friendly manufacturing processes. Factories are now focusing on reducing waste and using sustainable materials in the production of electric vehicles. Together, we can drive towards a cleaner, greener, and more sustainable future. By embracing electric vehicles and renewable energy, we are taking significant steps towards preserving our planet for future generations.